decal or something.
Oh, don't put your thumb up there.
I should have covered that and I didn't.